Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, students. How are you today? Nice. I hope all of you are fine. In this meeting, I would like to discuss about expressing intentions using the pattern be going to and would like to. Before we studied about expressing intention, first of all, you should know about what is simple future tense. And the second, you should know about the purpose of simple future tense. And the last, that is, you can say or write the expression showing simple future tense. Why it should be? Because if you want to talk about expressing intention, so you should know everything if we talk it in a simple future tense. Okay, class. I have three pictures. The first picture that is about Pantai Parangtritis, and the second picture that is about mall, and the last that is about amusement park. If there is a question, what are you going to do in Pantai Parangtritis? The response of it can be used the expressing intention. The second picture, what would you like to do in mall? It is also the same with number 1. The response of it using expressing intention. And the last, what are you going to do in amusement park? It is also use expressing intention to respond it. So we can conclude that what is expressing intention? Okay, expressing intention means words or sentences to state our plan in something that we intended to do in the future. Talking about expressing intention, we have three aspects. The first one, that is social function. Second, text structure. And the last, that is language features. Because expressing intention include in transactional interaction type, so the social functions of it is used to communicate about planning in the future. And the text structure of expressing intention, because it is formed in a dialogue or conversation, so the content of the dialogue, the structure of the dialogue, it can be include the first, that is opening. It means as an introduction. The second, that is about the content of expressing intention itself. And the last, that is the closing of the dialogue. And the third, that is about language features. Language features that is used to express about expressing intention. The first, you can use all of the type of expressing intention. It means some expression talking about planning or future activity. To understand more about expressing intention, let's watch the video. Okay, after we watch the video, let's identify the video. What kind of expression that is used to express about expressing intentions in the video? Okay, the first expression we can find what she is going to do. She is playing the violin. Second, what are you going to do? I am going to do some magic tricks. And the third, this one, fourth, and then five, six, this one for the seven, eight, nine. Okay, all of the expressions are used to express about intention that are taken from the video. You can study it by yourself to practice it about expressing intention. Now we will identify the written text that is formed in a dialogue or a conversation. We should find the social functions of the text. And the second, how is the text structure? And the third, how are the language features in the text? And you will get detailed information after reading the conversation. Here, I present you about the questions to ask about expressing intention, and directly there is some response that is used to express about expressing intention. All of the pattern to ask about intention we can use be going to, and the second we also use would like to. Okay, students, after you studied about expressing intentions, if you have a question, you can ask me or chat on my WhatsApp. And here, there are some exercise that you should do to practice about expressing intention. The first one that is for writing practice, and the second one here that is for speaking practice. All of the instructions of this have been written down on my slide, and you can submit the assignment to my WhatsApp. Okay, students, that is about expressing intention that we have discussed. Thank you very much for your attention. See you for the next lesson. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.